Have you ever wondered if your business banking setup is actually built to withstand a targeted hack, or if you're just one compromised password away from a drained account? After moving my primary business operations to Relay, I realized that most traditional banks are lagging behind when it comes to granular security. If you are handling high-volume transfers or managing a team, you need to know exactly how Relay protects your capital. Here's the breakdown of the features I use every day to keep my business secure. 1. True account isolation. The most effective security feature is the ability to open up to 20 individual checking accounts. I don't keep all my operating capital in one place. By isolating my tax reserves, payroll, and general expenses into separate accounts with their own account numbers, I've effectively created firewalls for my money. If one account number is ever compromised, the rest of my capital remains untouched. 2. Granular team permissions. Relay eliminates the all-or-nothing access problem. When I invite a team member or my accountant, I don't give them my login credentials. I set specific permission levels. I can grant someone read-only access to view statements, or payer access where they can draft payments but cannot actually authorize them without my final approval. This ensures no single person has unilateral control over the treasury. 3. Total card control. Physical and virtual cards are often the weakest link in business security. With Relay, I can issue dedicated virtual cards for specific vendors, like one just for Facebook ads and another for G Suite. I set strict spending limits on each. If a vendor has a data breach, I don't have to cancel my entire business credit line. I just freeze that one virtual card in the app and issue a new one instantly. 4. Advanced two-factor authentication, 2FA. Relay doesn't just treat 2FA as an option, it is a core requirement. They support industry-standard TOTP apps like Google Authenticator or Authy. Moving away from SMS-based codes, which are vulnerable to SIM swapping, to app-based authentication adds a critical layer of hardware-bound security that every business owner should be using. 5. Direct integration, not scraping. Finally, Relay uses direct integrations with tools like QuickBooks Online and Xero. Unlike banks that rely on screen scraping, which requires sharing your actual login password with third-party apps, Relay uses secure API tokens. This means my banking credentials are never stored outside of the bank itself, drastically reducing my digital footprint. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.